Legislator cutting across party lines on Thursday slammed Chief Minister Digambar Kamath for not being able to bust the drug mafia nexus in which police are also linked. Speaking during a discussion in the monsoon session of the Goa Legislative Assembly, ruling Congress party legislator Agnello Fernandes said that police officers in Goa were fighting drug wars on behalf of the drug mafia in coastal areas of the state.
The police who are involved in the drug trade, they were absconding. Did you call their wife? Did you call their mother to the police station? No, but you have an MLA, his wife is called. I've got no problem with the police. My problem is the drug dealers there. My problem is with the prostitution that is going on there. And the police officers who are helping this. Police are fighting the wars for the drug dealers. ANC constable that day went to Kalangut to one drug dealer's den. He was beaten up by these drug dealers. He went to file a complaint to the Kalangut police station. They refused to even register a complaint. Now, if this is the case with the police officer, how are you going to save the people of Goa? You don't register a complaint against your own man. He's been bleeding. He's beaten brutally. They're not even registering a complaint against him.
There were several instances where policemen have bashed up drug dealers on instruction from business rivals in drug trade, Agnello said, adding that the police were running a parallel economy fueled by drug-tainted money.
I don't know why we need so much money for the police department. Because there is a parallel economy running all over. You see, in Kalangut constituency, there are about 1,000 Lamanis, about 1,000 Kashmiris, small chai walas. They're all paying about 200 rupees per day. So about 4 or 5 lakh rupees per day is the hafta collected. Let the police officers correct me if I'm wrong. So you have about 5 lakh rupees plus there is a hafta from the drug dealers. Obviously, nobody in Goa believes that the drug dealers are not paying you hafta. Because they will not be able to thrive, the trade cannot thrive if you don't have the nexus with the police. So why do we need the money? I was just thinking about it.
Former Finance Minister and senior Congressman Dayanand Narvekar said that the police were not in a position to ensure security of legislators in beach villages such as Anjuna, which were known narcotic hubs.
1 week has passed and the House is in session. Why assailant has not been arrested by police? And if we cannot give security to NSUI leader, you cannot give security to the MLAs, then I fail to understand what is the policing happening in the state of Goa. And I want answer for all these questions which I am putting as to who is actually running the police department at present. Whom should we approach? And who should be sought after in case of incidents happening in the assembly, outside the assembly, or when we travel? Who is going to be responsible for the actions and omissions on the part of the Home Department?
BJP legislator Dayanand Madrekar also said that the instances of planting drugs on innocent citizens were on the rise.
आमचे जे फॉरेन टुरिस्ट आहे ड्रॉप झाले, कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबल आहे का? स्पीकर सर, एका पोलीस डिपार्टमेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबल आहा. पोलिसांक लागून हे फॉरेन टुरिस्ट आहा ते हांगा येना. कारण हे पोलिसांक ते येवपाकूच दिना. आनीक काही कंपोनंट आहा ते हे करता. पूण पुलीस हे अशे आहा, ते जर कोणाचे वाटेची मोटरसायकल जर भाड्याक घेवन ती चलोवपाक गेले जायत, पयले सुवातेर त्या मोटरसायकलीक लागून धरता. मोटरसायकल धरल्यानंतर तुजे सगळे तेचे कितें आहा पळय भितर ड्रग्स आहा म्हणून सगळे पोटल्यो तेचे तपासले वयता. पोटल्यो दिल्यानंतर ते इन डॉलर्सांनी तेचे कडेन डिमांड करता. आनी डिमांड ना करिना लास्ट सांगता आमी प्लांट करता आनी तुका भितर उडय जाले म्हणून. म्हाका दिसता पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आहा पळय, काही जे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आहा हे म्हाका दिसता पुडयो बरोबरूच घेवन भोंवता.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath is holding charge of the Home Minister after the minister concerned Ravi Naik reported ill a week back. The police-politician drug mafia nexus came to force with the arrest of 2 Israeli drug dealers who told the police that the police and politicians were linked to the mafia.